down at the Gower. We're at the Gower Heritage Centre, is that what it's called?
Yeah.
And what we're doing today is a day of bushcraft training. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Making a bird mask
What for?
to make a bird mask.
What wood are you using?
Hazel.
Hazel's wood. You should give it a back. Just having a cup of tea. We've made our little sticks from hazel. Nice and gentle to begin with. So you've got a little bit now.
Got a bit. Give it a blow first. Yeah, that's him.
What did I do wrong?
Bingo.
There's nothing wrong. I think it probably was just a case of not getting enough contact to complete the bundle. Yeah, maybe that was all. It's hard to tell. Next one, then who wants to have a go at the prisoner walk out technique?
Go on. Yes!
Right.
Well done. Amy's having sausages for lunch. I'm having fish. What have you got? I've got my steak to hold my fish. It's going to go in like this. Like that.
Oh.
I've just made my fish and it's cooking on the fire, and Amy's got a stick full of sausage on the go. Hungry now. I've made my fork and I'm ready for my fish. That's at the end of our day at Bushcraft. Absolutely brilliant experience, really good value for money. We just had a beautiful dinner with wild garlic and boiled potatoes. Check them out on Facebook, and they've got a website, Dryad Bushcraft. 5 out of 5.